is up, you guys? DSEC208 here. Welcome to a moto vlog. This will probably be my last moto vlog on this bike right here. This is my beloved 2008 Honda CBR 600 RR. I am selling this bike. I put it on the postings and I want to get rid of it. I love this bike. It's amazing. I love it. The power, the looks, everything about it is amazing. But I want to really get a dual sport, like really bad. I think it would be a lot of fun to just kind of go anywhere I want to go. So that's my next goal when it comes to my motorcycle purchase. But yeah, I'm gonna go on a ride with my good old cousin, and yeah, it's a pretty nice day outside. I got a brand new fresh tire in the back, so I'm taking it easy for a bit, about 30 miles. But yeah, I'm just riding to his house right now, and I don't know where we're going. I don't know what we're doing. I don't know how the weather's gonna hold up. It shouldn't rain today, but it is very cloudy, but it feels amazing. Yeah, sorry about the delay of my videos. I haven't made a video in a while. I just got affiliated with Twitch, so that's awesome. You guys should definitely follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/DSEC208. I try to stream there. At least 3 times a week. I've been playing a lot of Minecraft recently, so I haven't been streaming too much, but you'll see Minecraft, Call of Duty, a lot of Assetto Corsa with the G29 racing wheel on there. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I got affiliated with Twitch, which is awesome. Not that big of a deal, it's whatever, but it's pretty cool. So I definitely want to stream more and all that stuff. But yeah, I haven't made a YouTube video in a while other than this one. I just haven't had any like crazy ideas recently, and I'm still trying to decide of what I want to do fully on YouTube. But yeah, other than that, definitely follow me, and please hit the like button on this video and subscribe. I hope to get some nice views, some nice pictures, and things like that. So definitely stay on the video and let's see what happens. Whenever I'm by a police officer on this bike, I always wonder, am I gonna get pulled over for something? I'm always nervous when it comes to this bike. I think it's just from when I used to have a Honda Civic, I got pulled over quite often just because of the car. But nah, I think we're safe, so. Yay! And if you guys are looking for some moto vloggers that are up and coming, that are kind of different from the other ones, there's two that are local here that live in the Boise area. One I've kind of called out before because I saw him riding once, but Little Gromlin is one of them. His link will be in the description down below. He rides a Grom, and he's very short, so that's like really the only thing he can ride. But he makes some interesting moto vlogs and all that stuff, so you guys should check him out. Link in the description down below. And also Neko Senpai Love. He does a lot of like, he's into anime and stuff like that, but he's got a very like quirky, like exciting exciting personality and stuff. I rode with him once. I met him once. He's a really cool guy. He just hit, I think he's at like 4,000 subscribers, so he's definitely been growing pretty good recently, but he makes them really, like, he's just super good with people, and he's super exciting and all that stuff, so you guys should definitely hit him up as well. Subscribe to his channel, because he makes some really, really cool videos when it comes to motovlogging and all that, and he's a really cool guy as well from the one time I met him, so you guys should definitely check him out. But we are about halfway to my cousin's house. He lives about 30 minutes away from me, probably like 20 minutes, somewhere around there. But we're about halfway there, so I guess I'll just see you guys when I'm there, and we'll go from there. And before I get to his house, I don't know if you guys saw the PlayStation 5 announcement, but god damn it, holy fuck, the new Spider-Man, it's not a sequel, but the DLC, whatever it is, looks absolutely incredible, and it was so badass, the song that they used with Jaden Smith and Kid Cudi. Oh my god, that was such a badass announcement. I unfortunately didn't see it live. I jumped in when they were showing Little Big Planet, I believe. Oh no, Ratchet and Clank. And they showed Gran Turismo 7, which is going to be so cool. And they showed, Spider-Man Miles Morales, which is going to be awesome. I saw snow in the map, so it looks like they're throwing in a lot more stuff. And then obviously Grand Theft Auto 5, bullshit, fucking DLC, whatever. But oh my god, I'm so excited for the new Spider-Man game. I cannot wait. That's like the only reason I want to get a PlayStation 5. Spider-Man, The Last of Us 2, and any other Gran Turismo 7, and any other PlayStation exclusive, honestly. That's the only reason I want to get one. Comment down below what you guys think the price will be on the PlayStation 5. I believe it's going to be $550 for the disc edition and $500 for the regular edition. But I think it's a badass looking console, and I am super excited for the console. Let me know what you guys think of it as well. Here's the infamous Honda S2000. Oh my god, it's worse than I thought. Holy shit. This has gotten so bad. Wow. You guys have seen this Honda S2000 before. But goddamn, I haven't seen it in the daylight in a very long time, but wow, this trunk is bad. And this is his 2015 or 16 Ninja 300 from Kawasaki. His first bike. Got the Leo Vinci exhaust on there. Other than that, oh, and the fender eliminator kit, and he has a new rear light on it. It's actually a really nice bike, and he's babied it. So when he sells it, I will let you guys know. He actually really took good care of this thing. Now I'm just waiting for his ass. Like, I absolutely freaking hate him so much. This is our conversation. I was like, okay, all right, where do you want to meet? I'm like, where do you want to meet? He's like, Cables. I'm like, question mark, where is Cables? He's like, Cabela's. Oh, Cabela's. All right, I'll leave in 10 minutes. That's what I say. He's like, don't. I was like, when do you want me to leave? He's like, 20 minutes. Okay, sounds good. Change of plans. What's up? Come here and leave in 7 minutes. 6 minutes. Okay, I'm here. Clearly. Like, I hate him. What's up, douche? Man, I didn't realize your car was so bad. That trunk is fucked. Huh? That your trunk is fucked. I don't remember it being that bad.
No, it just started
like the middle part, not like where the spoiler was always bad, but
no, where the spoilers has gotten better. You notice that?
No, not the spoiler itself.
No, I know, but the spoiler's gotten better.
Has it?
Yeah.
You lead the way. I have fresh tires, so I'm kind of taking it slow. You seem so down, mijo boy. You hate me? Why do you hate me? I'm just a fat, worthless piece of shit. 350. Oh, was it? Oh, I saw it for a glimpse. Fuck, you're fast. I miss riding with you, mijo boy. What? Why not? My legs are? Oh. It is not cold. It's fucking perfect. You better not fucking complain. It's perfect.